So at the PPMA this week we've been showcasing our full product portfolio, starting with the XL800, which is our entry-level solution for single machine monitoring of kind of manumatic processes, through to MachineView for multiple independent machine monitoring, and then through to our flagship LineView solutions product, LineView, which is for monitoring full end-to-end production lines within the beverage and packaging industries. We have two shows coming up, both one in Chicago called Pack Expo in October, shortly followed by the show in Shanghai called China Brew. So come and see us at those shows. If you do, you'll probably see a couple of our new products that we have in the pipeline, one of which is called CamView, which is about integrating vision systems or video into and aligning it with OEE monitoring and downtime monitoring. And then our DigiView system, which will be allowing you to track product checks or quality checks or maintenance checks and digitizing them and aligning those with the OEE LineView product as well. In November we'll be returning to the UK to exhibit at the Smart Factory exhibition in Liverpool, and yeah, come and see us at one of those shows and we'll look forward to seeing you soon.